Canon just leaked the C50, and Sony should be terrified. This compact beast is rumored to pack the R5 Mark II's 45-megapixel sensor with Cinema EOS DNA that destroys the FX3. We're talking internal ND filters, C-Log3 profiles, and that professional red tally light. The September 9th teaser confirms it's happening. Sony's compact cinema dominance is about to end. Canon's throwing down the gauntlet with a design that screams professional cinema while staying compact enough for solo creators. The leaked C50 images reveal a body that's clearly inspired by Sony's FX3 success, but Canon's adding its own cinematic DNA to the mix. That signature red tally light glows proudly on the front, while the oversized red record button dominates the top plate. The flat mounting surface with professional rigging points shows Canon learned from the FX3's modular approach, but they're doing it with that unmistakable Cinema EOS aesthetic. Here's where things get absolutely wild. The C50 is rumored to house the same full-frame 45-megapixel sensor found in the R5 Mark II, which means Canon's bringing flagship photography performance to the cinema world. This sensor delivers incredible dynamic range and low-light performance that could make Sony FX3 owners seriously reconsider their choices. The full-frame advantage means gorgeous shallow depth of field and lens compatibility that APS-C sensors simply cannot match. Canon's proven this sensor can handle 8K recording in the R5 Mark II, so expect the C50 to push video specifications into territory that'll make competitors sweat. The autofocus system benefits from Canon's latest dual-pixel 2 technology, promising tracking performance that rivals Sony's renowned autofocus capabilities. Canon's not playing games with the feature set. The C50 reportedly includes internal ND filters, something Sony FX3 users have been begging for since day one. These built-in NDs eliminate the need for external filter systems. The Cinema EOS heritage brings C-Log2 and C-Log3 recording profiles, giving filmmakers the color grading flexibility that separates professional cinema cameras from hybrid shooters. Canon's also rumored to include advanced codec options that could surpass Sony's recording capabilities. The RF mount opens up Canon's entire lens ecosystem, from budget-friendly options to high-end cinema glass. Professional audio inputs, timecode sync, and that essential tally light system complete the cinema-focused feature package. Canon's September 9th announcement timing is no accident. They're positioning the C50 to capture holiday buying season attention while directly challenging Sony's market dominance. Pricing remains the biggest question mark, but industry insiders suggest Canon's targeting the FX3's price range while delivering superior value through cinema-focused features. Expect pricing between $4,000 and $6,000, which will put it in a premium compact cinema camera position that undercuts larger C-series models while commanding respect over hybrid alternatives. Can the C50 actually dethrone Sony's FX series dominance? The answer lies in execution rather than specifications. Sony's FX3 succeeded because it delivered cinema functionality in a package that solo creators could actually use. Canon's bringing superior sensor technology, cinema heritage features like internal NDS, and color science that many filmmakers prefer over Sony's offerings. However, Sony's not standing still. The FX series has momentum, an established user base, and ecosystem advantages that Canon must overcome. The C50's success depends on Canon pricing aggressively while delivering features that make switching worthwhile. If Canon nails the execution, the C50 could seriously disrupt Sony's compact cinema monopoly. That's the Canon C50 leak breakdown. Will you switch from Sony to Canon? Drop your thoughts below and smash subscribe for more camera news.